In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, it means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location here. Then click on it and tap on this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!